A hurricane warning has now been issued.
We live on a restless, unpredictable planet.
Tide of mud and rock.
When natural disasters occur, speed of reaction is critical. But getting information when situations are chaotic and infrastructure smashed can be really difficult. Governments and agencies have to make decisions very quickly, mobilising resources within minutes, sometimes with very little understanding of where they can be used to best effect, or what the situation on the ground is like. At these moments, time means lives and information is everything. This is where SAFE comes in. Unaffected by disasters on the ground, satellites can continue to collect and communicate information. SAFE is built on a unique platform that pulls together vital information from satellites and a number of other sources. It helps those coordinating the response to a disaster know what they are dealing with and share insight with all the different agencies involved: first aiders, air and sea rescue, police, firefighters and the military. SAFE is a next-generation web-based application that combines Earth observation and geospatial information with other contextual information. Users can search by text or pull up a map, highlighting the affected area. SAFE then selects the most relevant near real-time information to overlay. For example, has an earthquake caused flooding or landslides that have washed away the main roads? Users can see pre- and post-event imagery that tells the teams on the ground what they're heading into. Are there other documents that could be useful? Engineering reports or census records, for example. SAFE will search databases around the world in milliseconds to find contextual information that gives first responders a sense of the bigger picture. Is that dam known to be vulnerable? Should I be moving evacuees upstream rather than down? We always think about how people will use a technology in the real world. We know the information is out there. How do we get the right data quickly and make it easy to use? You can understand how important this approach is in the context of a natural disaster. For SAFE, we have not only drawn on our knowledge of space, but used natural language publishing and the Semantic Web. Emergency teams using SAFE can search for information using everyday language. The system can speak human, so people who aren't experts in data searching can quickly source useful information. The platform doesn't have to download information in order to show it. SAFE sneaks a peek at servers around the world, looking for relevant material, making the system even faster. It can also be used for future casting, helping experts hunt for data that can be modelled to predict future scenarios to build better emergency response plans. The Catapult works collaboratively on its projects with academia, governments, NGOs and industry, and we're working with the Chilean government on this first implementation of SAFE. Chile has a challenging geography, with 4,300 miles of Pacific coastline, mountain ranges and high levels of seismic activity. SAFE has been developed in conjunction with ONAMI, the Chilean Disaster Monitoring and Response Agency, and it will help them to deploy rapid response to the problems that arise. Disaster response is just one application. SAFE has been designed on an open data management and data exploration platform that can be tailored to meet the needs of a number of industries, from shipping and food supply to energy and insurance. Our goal is to democratise data by breaking down the barriers to information. And this is just one of the ways we're innovating for a better world empowered by satellites.